with completing the square, get x squared alone. Very important, it can't be 2x squared, you must get x squared alone. So whatever is in front of x squared, you divide everything. If it's 3x squared, you divide by 3. If it's 5x squared, you divide by 5. So if it's 2x squared, you divide everything by 2. Okay? And then you're going to have x squared plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So that's the first step. The second step, what you can do now, it actually helps, is take the negative 4 over to this side. And then you only have x squared plus 2x equal to 4. Okay. I prefer doing it like that. Okay. Now, the important step. Okay, dividing by 2 was easy. Now, you take the coefficient of x, which is 2. Take the coefficient of x, divided by 2. It's always the same method. Coefficient of x divided by 2, okay, which is 1. And then you write that in brackets with x, so you get x plus 1 squared. Okay, if it's plus here, you put in plus. If it was minus here, you put in minus. So if it was minus 2x, you would say minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. If it was minus 4 here, you would say minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. Then you put negative 2 in there. Okay, whatever the coefficient of x, divide by 2 and put it in the bracket with the x, because x times x is x squared. Okay? And then you just do it on the other side as well. So this side, you're going to say, what did I do? I take the coefficient of x, 2 divided by 2, which is 1, and then you square that. But 1 squared is still 1. And then you add it on this side. Okay? The other way to do it is to say, first subtract it here. Put it here and then subtract 1. But when you say minus 1 and you take it away, it obviously becomes plus 1. So for me, it's easier to just say, take the number over, and then when you take the coefficient of x, you divide by 2 and you square it, you already write it on that side, what you get. Okay? So then you've got x plus 1 squared equal to 5. And now you get the square root on both sides. You say the square root there, and then this side you're going to say plus minus equal to plus minus the square root of 5. So you basically just get the square. Why? Because the square root and the square cancel out. Okay? So then you only have x plus 1 on this side. And this side you've got plus minus the square root of 5. And then the last step is take the 1 over. So it becomes minus 1. So then you've got the solution for x. X is going to be negative 1. Because we're taking the plus 1 over. So x is going to be negative 1 plus minus the square root of 5. And now you can solve it. You can check on the calculator. What is negative 1 plus square root of 5? That's your one solution. And then what is negative 1 minus the square root of 5? And then that's your other solution. So then you can say x is equal to, or x is equal to, yeah, well then you just calculate it and you get your two answers.